Guys, we're gonna make some smoked pork tenderloin, but we're gonna bacon wrap it and we're gonna put it on that Woodfire grill today. You aren't gonna wanna miss this one. This is gonna be way too easy, way too tasty. Real quick, I wanna thank this week's sponsor, Aura, but more on them in a bit. Guys, nothing left to do but get started. What I did to get to this point, we took those pork tenderloins, trimmed off all that silver skin. I squared up the edges a little bit. Any bits and, scraggly bits on there, cut those off too. Really simple, right? You wanna clean it up real nice. You don't want that silver skin in there. It won't break down and you don't wanna be chewing on it, right? Right. After that, we seasoned it up with some Uncle Steve's magic ribs. Now it works perfect on pork, so grab the link down below if you want to check that out too. Just covered them up with that rub, and we took the magic, that's right, we took the bacon, wrapped it all the way around. It took 5-6 pieces each of them. And then we're gonna get ready to get outside on that wood fire. But before we get it out there, guys, I wanna remind y'all that I do have some e-cookbooks for the Woodfire Grill. They're $5 each, but if you buy all 4, it'll save you $5. I get you for $15. And it has tons of great recipes for the Woodfire Grill. Link down below. Make sure you check it out. Before we get anything on the grill, we're going to throw those temp spikes in there. I got that twin temp spike plus for each of these pork tenderloins. So we got the black one and the white one going in there. Set it up on my phone. That app is perfect for this. We're going to cook these to perfection. 145 Fahrenheit. And I'll put the Celsius here for my UK brothers and sisters. With that twin temp spike plus, you got 600 feet of Bluetooth connectivity. Got that awesome app. It lets you know when it's done. Keep track of it the whole way. Guys, I swear by my ThermoPro products. If you want some, links down below. Use my code, save you a little bit of cash. And that's what we need these days, right? Right. We're gonna get it out on that wood fire using those smoky pecan pellets. Guys, they burn cleaner and burn longer, and they're perfect for that wood fire grill. Link down below, save you 10%. You love them, okay? Let's get out to the wood fire grill, set it up, get our pork tenderloins on there. 300 degrees, and again, Celsius will be right here for y'all. And just set it and forget it. Should take a half hour, 45 minutes to get where we wanna be. Once our temp spike shows that it's 140 degrees, we're gonna take it off, bring it in the house, let it rest. Chop it up. You know how we do. Guys, I know we just went through that little TikTok ban, blah, blah, blah that was going on. And it really pisses me off that the government came after them, especially since I kind of use them as one of my platforms, right? Because you and I know that all our information is out there already. If you're on social media, if you use the Googler, all our information is out there and it's available to the highest bidder. Big companies with poor security are getting hacked every day. And it's us who pays the price. And they're never held accountable. Our information's out there being sold on the black market to scammers, spammers, and the other out there. I feel like if the government could go out of their way and ban a platform, they surely should be able to go ahead and protect us. But alas, they don't. So it's on us to protect ourselves from that dark web and all them bad people out in the world. And that's why I love this week's sponsor, Aura. Aura keeps you safe by doing all the hard work for me. They'll identify data brokers out there who are selling my information and then submit opt-out requests on my behalf. Give Aura a few weeks and you'll stop seeing yourself on these sites when you search yourself, which will lead to less spam, less emails. Aura will continuously monitor the dark web and give me an alert if my information is exposed. They're gonna let me know fast if anybody tries to use this information to gain access to my credit or my banking information. Plus, they give me up to $5 million in identity theft insurance should the worst case scenario happen. The Aura app also has 100 plus VPN locations. Now, does your current VPN offer all these things that Aura does? Something to think about. Guys, you can go to my link, aura.com/cookingwithcj, and give this a try for 14 days for free. And that would be enough time for Aura to find out if any of your personal information is exposed. So guys, there's really no reason not to give this a try today. I want to thank Aura for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get out there and get that wood fire fired up. All right, as usual, I'm going to be competing with outdoor noises here, but it is what it is. All right, we got our wood fire here. We got the grill plate in, pork tenderloins over there, temp spike plus in there. Let's go ahead and get this thing on. Hello. I'm going to go to the mode, smoker setting. I'm going to go to 300. Get that bacon a little crispy. Our default's fine, don't worry about that. Got the wood fire flavor button going. Hit start. Let it go through that ignition process, and we'll get those pork tenderloins on. Bad boys on. Whew. Look at all that good smoky pecan smoke right there. Let's get our tenderloins on. Make sure they stay nice and wrapped. All right. Those are looking good, boys and girls. Shut it down, give them a nice smoke bath. Checking on when they hit that 140. All right, we're temped out to 140. Let's get a close up on there. We're gonna get a little Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce on there. This is the sauce with no name. Got these nice and sauced up with that sauce with no name. We're gonna shut this lid and give it another 5 minutes to set that sauce. And we're ready to cut in these bad boys. All right, guys, we are done. These are looking way too good. Time to get them off the grill. We're gonna take them inside, let them rest, and we'll slice into them, grab a bite. All right, we let this rest. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it right in the middle. You can see how nice and juicy that is. Let's get a couple slices out of this bad boy. Beautiful. Let's get a bite. What do you say? So we got them all sliced up. We let them rest for a little bit longer. I got some buddies in the house right now. We're yapping and bullshit, or well, bull stuffing, right? So I kind of let these go a little bit too long, but you can tell they're juicy as can be. Got a little piece right here. I'm gonna get a little bacon with it because you know bacon makes everything better, right? Cheers, y'all. Oh yeah, man. Too damn good. Guys, this is amazing. All right, smoky, sweet, spicy, all those good flavors from my buddy Uncle Steve. Again, link down below if you want to get some of his stuff. Try this. Again, in case you want to know, it took about 30 minutes to cook this where we want it to be. I think 35, something like that. But cook to internal temperatures. My cooker might be different than yours. My elevation is different than yours. The humidity is different than yours. So cook to internal temperatures. Very important. All right, y'all. If you want to get anything I use in my videos, again, links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that know bacon makes everything better, there are two ways to join up. Either you hit the Patreon link in my video description, or you can hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.